Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if your iPhone is on unavailable or if you have forgot your passcode. Now you are not able to unlock your iPhone. I'm going to show you how you can remove the passcode or unavailable error from your iPhone without PC. So let's get started the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So before we do that guys, make sure that you have a backup of your iPhone because you will lose all of your data in your this iPhone. So let's get started the video. To fix this problem, to restore factory default without PC, you need another device you can borrow from friend, or if you have another iPhone, Android or laptop, you can use that. So in my case, I'm using this another iPhone. Then go to Safari browser and then simply search for iCloud.com. You have to go to iCloud.com in order to bypass this problem, remove passcode or unavailable error. So once you're here, you have to log in the same Apple ID that you were using on this iPhone. Make sure that you log in the same Apple ID in the browser in iCloud.com, the same Apple ID that you were using on this iPhone. As you can see, it is the same Apple ID that I'm using on my both devices. So once you're logged into your Apple ID on this device, now you're gonna click on menu and simply click on Find My iPhone app. And here you will see all of your devices, list of the devices. Then continue with Touch ID or password of your Apple ID to see the devices. So once you have entered the password, just wait for a few seconds and you will see all of your devices here. So as you can see, now all you have to do is you have to select that iPhone that you want to restore or that your iPhone is disabled. Select the iPhone, and to confirm that you have selected correct iPhone, click on play sound. So now as you can see, the sound is playing. So once you have made sure that you have selected the right iPhone, then you will get this option, erase iPhone. Click on it, click on continue. Then on the next page you have to enter the Apple ID password again. So you can just continue with Touch ID, Face ID, or you can just enter the password again. So once you have entered the password, just wait for a few seconds. Then it's optional, you can enter the number. Click on next, click on done, and just wait for a few seconds and this iPhone will start erasing. So just look on this iPhone. Here we go. Now the iPhone is start erasing. So you have to wait. It will take 3 to 4 minutes to erase the iPhone. Then simply click on remove from account. By doing this, it will now ask for your Apple ID again. So enter the password to continue. Then click on remove device. And the device will be removed from iCloud also. Now you don't need this device. Just wait until the device is turned on back again. So we have to wait for it. So once you're done, you will get this lock toner. Then simply swipe up. Now you have to do the setup, select language, select country. Now you can use this iPhone to set up if you want. Then you can click on setup manually. Now I'm going to skip the setup process. Here we go. Now as you can see, the iPhone is unlocked without passcode, without PC. The enabled iPhone unavailable error is fixed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.